Hi friends, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm sharing with you the most loved, delicious and creamy butter chicken recipe. So easy to make and taste simply delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious butter chicken. To make this butter chicken, I have taken about 500 grams of whole chicken, and you can always use boneless chicken as well, but the bones gives that extra taste and flavor. So I've taken whole chicken. Let's marinate it with some salt, red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of dahi. Mix everything really well. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes or so before you start cooking. Butter chicken goes really well with some jeera rice or even some naan or paratha. After 30 minutes or so, we'll start frying the chicken. So add some oil in your pan and just drop the marinated chicken pieces. You can always fry the chicken pieces in air fryer as well, but we're going to use this oil to fry our onions and tomatoes later, so that's the reason I fried them in a pan. So cover and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes and let them get this nice char on either side. So flip them around after about 5 minutes or so. You can always also bake or broil the chicken pieces. So I'm going to let it cook on the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes. In the interim, I'm going to chop some onions and tomatoes. So here I have taken 2 big onions and just roughly chop them. It's okay to have big pieces because we're going to fry them anyways. This is for that nice butter chicken gravy, and I'm using red onions. They are anyways going to go in grinder, and for that nice reddish color and bit of tanginess, I'm using 4 medium tomatoes. Again, chop them into big pieces like these. The smoothness and that thickness of the butter chicken gravy comes from this onions, tomatoes and some cashews that you add. The chicken is about 70% cooked now. Let's remove all the chicken pieces. The fried chicken pieces are so tempting, you'll feel like just eating one of the pieces. And notice our pan is nicely charred and has that chicken flavor in it. So let's keep this fried chicken on the side, and in the same oil I'm going to drop the chopped onions. Fry the onions on a medium to medium high flame until they become soft and get this nice pinkish color. To these add 1/4 cup of cashews and also drop the chopped tomatoes. Give everything a really good mix. We're going to fry the onions and tomatoes for at least 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes get soft. And just keep pressing them and you will notice that they become soft pretty soon. So we want to have a nice gravy for butter chicken. So make sure that the tomatoes are cooked well. You'll notice that the skin of the tomato starts to peel off. Once the mixture cools off, we are going to grind everything together to a really fine paste like this. While grinding, you can always add some water as needed. We are going to strain this curry paste because we want to get rid of the tomato skin as well as any big pieces of cashews. So look at that. Drop a big dollop of butter. On that, add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Drop that curry paste that we just strained. 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Some salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and give everything a really good mix. Sugar adds that bit sweet flavor to the butter chicken, and notice I have not added any color to this recipe. Add some water as needed. Without any color, the texture has come out so well. Let's drop the fried chicken. Coat all the chicken pieces with this curry paste. You can also add more water if needed. We're going to let it cook on a medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. The chicken is already, cooked pretty well, so we just wanted it to cook it with the gravy, which is done now. We are going to finish it off with some garam masala powder and some kasuri methi. The butter chicken is ready. You can switch off the flame. Serve it with some hot rice or garlic naan. Simply delicious. If you have enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.